Hello everyone, here's fiber optic light product. I think you should check it out. What you see is what you get. Be controlled by RF remote controller and app. With RGBW LED Twinkle color wheel to create twinkle in any colors. We have bright white color, and using colorizer on app, we can make warm white color. Optical fibers can be installed on ceilings or wall panels made of gypsum plasterboard, wood, perspex, and stretch ceilings and car. If you'd like to see more in-depth videos, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.